Hi guys. So we have completely revamped the way organizations operate on Bitscale. This is specifically directed towards our enterprise customers. So what we have implemented here is sort of like an organizational system, wherein obviously there will be a few people who will be working on the grids, creating workflows, etc. on Bitscale, and you would have some people that would be allotting credits and maybe managing credits and the billing, etc. The main reason behind this was that once we started getting a few more enterprise customers, we realized that like organizations are much more complex. They need to have a little bit more control, and since they're so diverse horizontally as well, sometimes different teams have different operations, different workflows, and it becomes quite problematic to have all of them available in a single account with no monitoring, no analytics, anything of that sorts. So we have implemented a new way in which enterprises can use Bitscale now. And in this video, I'll just give you a walkthrough of how you can utilize these features. So if you're one of our enterprise customers, follow along, and I'll just show you how you can set up workspaces, invite people to your workspaces, or if you are an editor who is actually creating grids, how you can ask for more credits and so on and so forth. Right? Let's get started with the organization owner, which would majorly be the person who owns the entire Bitscale account. And they will be creating workspaces and allotting credits, etc. And I'll just show you how that works, right? So if you go to your workspaces section right here, and if you are the workspace owner in this scenario, currently the email I'm logged into is the workspace owner. You can head over to manage workspaces, and you would see how many credits are left to allot and what are total credits, etc. So what I'll just do is create a workspace. I'll call this Bitscale growth, right? And I'll allot 50,000 credits here. Credit cycle is one time. You would have an option of making this monthly or yearly. So if you want this same credit split to repeat multiple times a year, you can do so, right? And we'll just click on create here. And this now creates a workspace. Now, Bitscale growth is a workspace which ideally belongs to the team growth, the growth team, and they should be able to like operate here, create all these workflows here, collaborate together, etc. So yeah, so that is the major logic behind the workspaces. Now, all of these workspaces would only be visible to the owner, right? Only the owner can see what all workspaces are available. So for example, if I create another one, which would be Bitscale Tech, right? Yeah. And allot 20,000 credits here. Here. If I log in into a system or an email that is only available in the Bitscale growth workspace, I would not be able to access this one. So that is the most basic logic. To show you how that works, I'll just come here. All right, I'll go to invite member and I'll invite myself. Rate Bitscale.ai. Invite. All right, and I'll just, all right, I missed one thing, that is you can also assign roles here. So for example, if I was inviting another email like workflows@bitscale.ai, I could have assigned the role as an admin. So this guy would be able to see the usage and basic details regarding that specific workspace. They can't see organizational level information like billing, etc. But any workspace level information would be visible to these guys. So I'll just send the invite here as well, right? Perfect. Now I'll just log into my account and then show you how it looks from my end. Alright, so I have received an invitation on my email to join the Bitscale Growth Workspace. So fairly simple. I just have to accept the invitation. And just head back over here, and the Bitscale Growth Workspace should be available if I click here. So yeah, I'm in the workspace now. And if I go to settings, you would see that I see none of the options that were available on the owner's end. I only see the grids and the amount of credits that have been allotted to me. So yeah, that is all that one needs to do at the owner's end of things. In the next video, I'll just show you how you can request more credits as a user, right? And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Our support channel is always open, and cheers, bye.